This sunshade with the eyes was sent to me by the company, and I absolutely love it. It's fun, something different, actually really convenient and easy to use. It looks like an umbrella, works like an umbrella. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put it on your windshield, how to take it off, some of the great benefits of it. So firstly, you might be wondering if this might work for my vehicle. It is made to fit most mid-size cars and SUVs. I have a compact SUV. The dimensions of it are 57 by 31. So I would just go ahead and measure your windshield before purchasing. It is very simple to install. You just work it like an umbrella. There are 10 reinforced skeleton poles. Just like an umbrella, has anti-scratch extended edge. There is a rear view mirror cutout as well. Here is a closer look of the inside of my car, just how it is extended. You can see how it reaches, and then the pole just lays right over the dash. And then I'm just going to demonstrate how easy it is to remove it from your windshield. There is, like, again, just works like an umbrella. You wrap it up. The case is very nice that you can store it back into. I really like how it is compact, doesn't take up a lot of room compared to my other one. If you can peek in the corner, it just takes up so much space. So that case is really nice. You can store it in your glove box, center console, or on the side of the door where I keep mine. So I would say the two best features for me is how compact it is, as well as the eyes. Also to note, it is UPF 70+, so very good in heat blocking.